Carl and I just finished working out, so let me show you what I'm having for dinner.
I know, seems a little bit odd. We've got some boar's head turkey, ham, and then some homemade pickles. I'm gonna be honest, this is just what I wanted for dinner tonight. I love cold cuts, but I didn't eat them when pregnant. So a lot of people talk about whether you should, whether you shouldn't. Personally, I just didn't feel comfortable, so I didn't eat them when pregnant. Those are the homemade pickles. Yeah, watch out, this garlic. Don't drip, don't drip. Carl's trying one of my homemade pickles. Anyway, they're good. What do you think? Honey?
Oh. Wow.
Thank you.
No, I got it. Yeah.
My homemade pickles. I use Persian cucumbers. They've been sitting for a couple days in the fridge, so they're definitely best so far today. I did a little bit of red pepper flakes, good amount of salt. I didn't measure anything. A dash of sugar, white vinegar, but I ran out, so I had to use a little bit of white balsamic, which I normally wouldn't because white balsamic is expensive, but I needed to add some more vinegar because I didn't have enough of just the plain white, so it's kind of like a half and half, like a mix, 50-50 blend. And what else? Oh, fresh garlic, like, I don't know, maybe like 5 cloves, and then a large onion. So good. Especially with like the turkey. It's really good. This ham is a little bit thicker than I would have liked it to be. Anyway, there is like one particular deli that I like to go to. It's good. Sorry. I feel bad eating on camera, but it's just so good. There's one deli that I prefer to go to, and yesterday I was in the area. I wasn't in the area. I was like 15 minutes away, and I was like, let me like just go stop in, you know? And that's how I got this stuff. And honestly, like, I'm almost out already, and I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow because this stuff is my favorite. This is like the Black Forest ham, boar's head. It's just the regular oven cooled turkey. So good. And I feel like I would like this with regular pickles, but we'll say mine. I feel like when you buy pickles out, they're definitely a bit more sour. Because I added a dash of sugar, it kind of like cuts that. And they're just so fresh, you know what I mean? This reminds me, because I gotta shower, and then pump one more time tonight. On Prime, I started, was it Maxton Hall? It's a new show. It's only like 6 episodes, but it's really good. I think it was translated from German, but it's still really good. Even though like their lips, you can tell, is like kind of off. Yeah, I always forget that I have Prime, like the video, you know. I also forgot I've got Paramount Plus. I've had it for 6 months. I completely forgot. So I've been watching Jersey Shore, the old ones. It's so funny, especially like watching it back now as an adult, because I was really young. I shouldn't have been watching that. You know what I mean? Like, I was young back in like 2009. I shouldn't have been watching that. Anyway. Alright, well. Definitely gonna have a little dessert or something before bed. But, hon, this is great. It's 8:30. He's getting Grayson up. We're gonna feed him, put him down. Kennedy's sleeping. Hon, we can be in bed by 9:30. It's pretty fire. Alright. I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna get out some pepperoncinis. gotta do the homemade pickles with you guys. Okay. Alright. Thanks for eating dinner with me. I hope I wasn't too boring. This is really good. I'm gonna have to make more pickles. I'm gonna have to go out to the store and get the stuff for more pickles tomorrow. And then make a video for you guys. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Bye.